Bow window installation in Deltona is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal. With custom bow window designs Deltona, you can achieve a unique look that complements your home's architecture. Our team specializes in energy-efficient bow windows Deltona, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. Bow windows Deltona window glass replacement is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Our Deltona window glass replacement services offer high-quality solutions to keep your windows looking pristine. Whether you need double-pane windows or single-pane replacements, we have the expertise to handle it all. Energy-efficient windows are a must-have for any modern home. Our Deltona energy-efficient windows not only reduce your energy bills but also improve your home's overall comfort. With our window insulation services, you can enjoy a draft-free environment, no matter the season. Bow windows Deltona custom window designs are perfect for homeowners who want to add a personal touch to their property. Our Deltona custom window designs offer a wide range of styles and materials to choose from, ensuring your windows are as unique as your home. From traditional to contemporary, we have the perfect design for you. Window frame installation is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our Deltona window frame installation services ensure your windows remain sturdy and functional. We address issues like rot, warping, and damage to extend the life of your windows. Double-pane windows are an excellent choice for improving energy efficiency and noise reduction. Our Deltona double-pane windows provide superior insulation, keeping your home quiet and comfortable. Upgrade to double-pane windows for a noticeable difference in your home's energy performance. Window seal installation is vital for preventing drafts and moisture intrusion. Our Deltona window seal installation services ensure your windows are properly sealed, protecting your home from the elements. We use high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting results. Vinyl window replacement is a cost-effective way to upgrade your home's windows. Our Deltona vinyl window replacement services offer durable and low-maintenance options that enhance your home's appearance and energy efficiency. Choose vinyl for a hassle-free window solution. Window leak installation is crucial for preventing water damage and mold growth. Our Deltona window leak installation services address leaks promptly, protecting your home from costly installations. Trust our experts to keep your windows watertight and secure. For top-notch bow window installation in Deltona, our expert team provides comprehensive window measurement services to ensure a perfect fit. We specialize in custom bow window designs Deltona residents love, offering a wide range of styles to enhance your home's aesthetic. Our bow window installation warranty Deltona guarantees peace of mind, ensuring your investment is protected for years to come. Energy-efficient bow windows Deltona are a smart choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. Our double-pane bow windows Deltona provide superior insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. With our window insulation services Deltona, you can enjoy a draft-free environment and lower utility bills. If you're experiencing issues with your windows, our Deltona window frame installation and window seal installation services are here to help. We offer window leak installation Deltona to prevent water damage and maintain the integrity of your home. Our window caulking services Deltona ensure a tight seal, protecting against the elements. Upgrade your home with our vinyl bow window replacement Deltona services. Vinyl windows are durable, low maintenance, and energy efficient, making them an excellent choice for any home. Our Deltona window hardware upgrade options allow you to customize your windows with the latest features and technology. For those interested in enhancing their home's curb appeal, our bow window style consultation Deltona offers personalized advice on the best window designs for your property. We provide window trim replacement Deltona to refresh the look of your windows and improve your home's overall appearance. Our window maintenance services Deltona ensure your windows remain in top condition. From window glazing services Deltona to window condensation solutions, we address all your window care needs. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your windows and prevent costly installations down the line. Window screen installation Deltona is essential for enjoying fresh air without the hassle of insects. Our Deltona window tinting services offer privacy and UV protection, keeping your home cool and comfortable. We also provide window weatherproofing Deltona to safeguard your home against harsh weather conditions. Understanding window replacement cost Deltona is crucial for budgeting your home improvement project. We offer competitive pricing and transparent estimates, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. Our bow window upgrade options Deltona provide a variety of choices to suit your style and budget. For those in need of window glass replacement, our team delivers high-quality solutions tailored to your needs. We specialize in window sash replacement Deltona, ensuring smooth operation and a perfect fit. Our window style consultation Deltona helps you select the ideal windows for your home, enhancing both functionality and design. Bow windows Deltona.